Can you tell us what we are looking at here?
Okay, this is Form 34A from Baringo County, Kiati constituency. So on this particular form, you can see that the votes for candidate Raila Odinga and William Ruto. Then when you come down here, you can see that the presiding officer comments, we had one rejected ballot paper with serial number PR 11082. Then this figure has been changed to 535. And then also on the stamp, you can see that there are two stamps over here. Yes.
And the reason it has two stamps is because one of those stamps is yours?
Yes.
Which means that it's a fake stamp?
Yes.
So this is a fake Form 34A?
Exactly.
And this form is currently on the public portal?
Yes.
And these are the ones that have been uploaded
Yes.
to the public portal?
Yes.
Thank you. You are part of a team of 56 people.
Yes.
You said you are based in Karen?
Yes.
Led by Ole Itumbe?
Dennis Itumbe.
Dennis Itumbe, yes. What was the mission of this team of, you are all computer specialists?
10 of us.
10 of you are computer specialists?
Yes.
What was your mission?
Mission was to get Willliam Ruto to power and to defeat the dynasties, because for a long time, from what Dennis Itumbe was telling us, is that we needed freedom to liberate ourselves from the dynasties. So that way freedom is coming.
How did you go about doing that? Here we can see on the screen the IBC.
The Accreditation Management System, AMS.
So you were able to enter the IBC system, or how did it work?
Yeah, we had